My name is Chipiwa Yolanda Brachivumo. I'm a second-year student at UNISA studying economist. I got pregnant last year around September after a couple of months breaking of virginity, having one boyfriend, and then by February I realized my status that I was positive. I thought maybe it was the end of the world and I wouldn't ever have a baby, because if I get a baby, my baby is going to be positive, so I won't even see my baby growing up. So I was like, I want to do an abortion, I don't want babies anymore. And then I'd rather not continue with studying anymore because it's useless. I've only maybe years left for myself.
So 20 you were HIV positive, you were sick?
I was sick.
One day I talked to Ruth, it's one of the HIV SA. Being around them, you can talk to them about anything that is troubling you. They're like sisters, friends around you. Then she said the baby can be negative if I'm following treatment. I did exactly what they said. And then that's where I kept him for. I'm still studying. I do go to school when I'm having my baby around, and it's wonderful having her and knowing that she's negative.